My name is Ose Osunde. I graduated from University of Benin. I studied accounting. After that, I came to Nasarawa for my youth service. During my service year, I decided to learn a skill which I furthered to do wig styling. I picked wig styling because I've always loved hair right from a very young age. I helped my mom basically then to style her hair. I was like more likely like she will always call me, come and style my hair, come and dress my hair, and I really enjoyed doing it. So I figured out that it is something I love a lot. There was a time I had a conversation with a friend. I told her that I would really love to advance my skills in wig making. So she referred me to a lady that has a business, whereas she does wig making, wig styling, ventilation, and what have you, everything concerning hair. So I had a lot of interest. Then I went to the school. She had a class. We did for like 3 months. So during the class, she did not just teach us about wig styling. She taught us wig making. She taught us hair ventilation. She taught us wig installation. So aside from that, she also gave us knowledge that we could also make money from it while doing something that we love. I have been styling wigs and making wigs for 2 years. Some of the benefits of wig making is one, like we have a wide range of market, high demand. So there will always be demand for hair. Basically, hair is the beauty of a woman. So every lady will want to put on hair and look beautiful. So this is one of the benefits. We always have customers to reach out to. Wig making is a profitable type of business if you have high level of experience, if you have high quality materials. If you just don't go over quantity but go over quality, you tend to build a quality customer and trustworthy customer. So basically, it just has to do with you as a person putting your business in a high and quality level. Then it will give you a very high profitable, turnover. My challenges include customer satisfaction. There are different human beings and it's very difficult to meet people's needs. So sometimes you find out that you are doing your most, whereas the customers will not be satisfied. Then we also have competitors. The market is wide. You have a lot of, opponents. You have to be in track. You have to, keep on learning skills and having more knowledge just so that you will not be pushed out of market. Sourcing of materials, sourcing for products can be challenging based on fake products, fake materials. You can get a particular product, getting home and find out that you bought a very fake product at a high cost. So basically these are some of the challenges. Then fluctuation of the economy. You can go to the market today and buy for a low rate. You can go back tomorrow and buy for a higher rate. How would you bring this to your customers and tell them that prices has changed? So it also affects the profitability of the business. When you provide quality services to your customers, you tend to create friendship, bond, high customer rates, referrals, and all of that. So that is also revenue. It tends to bring revenue to the business. Then you have customer relationship. Like I earlier stated, you just have to have good customer relationship with your customers, which in turn will bring profits to the business. I would prefer you have quality services than making a mass range of wigs and styling a lot of hair with low quality. So when you do this, you have quality customers, and your customers will have high trust for your products and will always refer you to other clients, which basically bring more revenue to you. Then basically good customer relationship. We have different people and how they behave. You should be able to manage customers. You should be able to manage people in their various behavior, so which will help you keep your customers in check. First thing, I did not start up like this. I started somewhere. I started from learning the trade. I started from working with someone to now owning my own. So over time, I have grown. I have learned. I am learning. I'm still learning. So I would just say it's the consistency for me. Just keep on trying, keep on pushing, keep on moving forward. You find out that you find yourself wherever you want to be. First thing is to make the step, make the move. You don't just have to keep on wishing and hoping you have something. If you want to learn wig styling, check online, meet, ask people, talk to anyone. They will refer you to someone. Learn it. You start from there. You don't need to start big. You can start very, very small, just like how I started. You can work for someone for a period of time, gather more experiences, then you find yourself growing. I learned wig styling while I was doing my NYC service. So basically I did not have enough fund. When I went to the place where I wanted to learn, the woman was really kind enough and she allowed me to pay instrumentally. And also I was able to raise from savings, from friends support, from family support. So that enabled me to pay instrumentally for the services. Government can aid and assist young ladies like me by opening a skill acquisition where girls can come in to acquire different skills. It could be wig styling, it could be braiding of hair, it could be clothes making, whatever kind of skill that they want to acquire. Government could fund such initiative. They can give general speech and general knowledge. This is creating awareness that as a young lady you should have a skill that you can do from the comfort of your home. You can do like just basically doing something with your bare hands. So there should be public awareness towards that. There should be a general awareness because people tend to look down on these skills and feel like, oh, if you are a wig maker or shoemaker, you are less. You have to be a doctor, you have to be an engineer, you have to be, one of those professions. But there should be an awareness that these things are aiding young people and are assisting them in making money for themselves. So there should be a general awareness to note that they are not just basically nothing, that this is a good job, it's hard work, and they should be applauded. I use my accounting skills for wig making because as an accountant, I am taught to manage my resources very well. And for wig making, you have to also know how to manage your resources. You have to manage people too. So it's a lot. I take notes of all my expenses. I take notes of my revenue. I take notes of everything just so that I'll know I'm making profit, and where I am making some lapse, I have to correct it. So I basically use my accounting skills for my wig making skills. So you see, no knowledge is lost and they all work hand in hand. Biggest achievement basically is anytime I see my customers happy. It's always give me this thing of fulfillment. Like if they bring in their wigs or hair looking rough, ugly, or whatever way they bring it, and I give them a very good and quality services, they come back and they're like, is this my hair? Is this my hair? Like they are so happy and full of excitement. So basically this is my greatest moment. Whenever I see that my customers are happy, I put smiles on their faces. So anytime I see them happy, I'm happy.